Hello and welcome to a new case walkthrough of a free Excel Esports case. This time fact-based result recruiting, not resulting. This will be a live run through. I've never done this case before, but yeah, let's see how it will go. Okay, how often do we have presentation skills that are 100? Okay, so XLOOKUP, presentation skills, data, and then count. No, I need to filter. R for result. Filter R if R equals 100. And then rows. Okay, this was okay. Independent. Great. Okay. Inde okay, here's something with independence. Then there are a few guys with 100. Uh, okay, so is it the mean? Hmm. Is it Vila? Vila is not even here. Okay, I don't know what to do here. Filter, know each other who's. Ah, bekannt. Ah, yeah. Okay. So here there are. Oh, crazy. Okay, so I need the trait for the those kind of guys. Okay. Okay, here we have all traits. Now we take the mean for all these guys. Text split. And we fix the column. And now we do an lookup. The row value is the name, and the column value is this. Why will this not work? I think it does not work with array, so I map this in. No, 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 no. Why does this not work? Why does this not work? Hmm. Okay, then we do it manually. Okay. Okay, I know why. I need to trim this or make it that way. And then we use the average. And I think I can track it down. Okay, no. Oh yeah. I need to fix the row here. Okay. Now let's look up for this in here, returning this here, and then max match, which is 18, and then index of name. No, starting from row 3. It should be then the name searched. No, it's not. Great. Okay. 18. And in the case it's Rila. Half mod. 600 and oh gosh. The wert is average. Moderation skills. Independence. Or is it independence? But maximum independence. Average. I might be wrong, but it's 100. And 100 is here for Trader Winslow. Oh, so it's not the average, it's the sum. Okay, we can hmm, no, it's also not right. There's something odd here. Could be that this will not spill. Why isn't this? It's not calculating properly. Oh no. Okay. So it's not the average, it's the sum. And then I get to the same result. Okay. Um. mm, okay. 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 Yes, level two solved. Okay, there are different traits and the weighted sum, and we want to find out which person is the best for this position. Okay, so it's basically like sommelier, like the case from Peter Schall. Okay, we have traits. We have a weight. So I basically want to have this for all persons. Oh no, yeah, of course. I need to reduce this then. Okay. TS trait split it, and then reduce 0 TS lambda A B A stack A drop and X lookup B and here returning this F4 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 and drop first column. Now I have a split array, and now I need to weight this, multiply it with text split. Uh, hmm, not German numbers. Yeah, okay. Let me take the German numbers, otherwise it's annoying. So with a comma delimiter and not a point delimiter. Text split. I don't need minus minus here. And then I take by row sum. And then the max match 618 and the index why will it spill? Ah, yeah, same result. Okay. Bring it in here. Check it down. Yes, solved. Least deviation. Okay. So basically like somebody um trait split it, text split. And then we want to have simply the same. Okay, let's copy this formula here. I don't need this index stuff. I only need this reduced stuff or reduced stuff. Here I need those traits. Yes, this is the drop. Minus text split. And then ABS by row sum, and then a min match 216 index, no, not indirect, index of persons. Ah, okay, yeah, that worked. That's the good thing with the let formula. You can use parts somewhere else, but still medium. uh, okay. Rate trades closest to the drop profile with different rates. Okay, first I won't have German weights. Oh, quadratic. Oh, I think there's some SQ, which is the sum of the squares of an argument. Okay, so I basically use this here, then I split the trades minus this. Um, let's multiply. Oh no. Okay. Okay, make this simple. Trade job profile multiplied with text split is it's error. Why is an error there? Huh. Okay. There's also a calc error. Right. Okay. Hmm. There should not be a calculation error. Oh yeah, of course. I have nothing that I do by row. ABS is also not needed anymore. And then some SQ. So here equals some SQ. And I some SQ this by row. And then use a min match. Okay. By row, some SQ. Yes. Min match. Yes. Index. Oh no. No, 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 no. I get a different person. Which should not be the case. No. Okay. But also my differences are not that high. Um, so I take this arbitrate. can also do this manually. Oh, hmm, no squaring. Okay, let's lose ABS. No, still the same person. Hmm. Spill, then squared. No. Okay, it could be, which doesn't make sense, that this is done before. So multiplied with text split is done here. And then you also get larger numbers. But this doesn't make sense because why would you adjust the not the difference of the traits, but the traits itself? But I follow instructions. Yeah, and the minimum is then the number of this person. Doesn't make that much sense. Min, match, index. No, yeah. Okay, motivation sum. Okay, so we basically do an dynamic filtering approach. Oh no, and it's not. It's not sorted. Okay, let's data table this. Data table setup. Yeah, level 6. I know basically know the rules. So A stack A, X lookup B. And here first call. Okay, here we have everything needed. Nine. Again, this is then the criteria that needs to be met. right? E-commerce skills smaller. Okay, why would you want something with smaller skills? But anyways, it's the question if it's always something with two numbers. 15 here. So we can use right and 3 after splitting it. Yeah, okay. Thank God. Are they always the same amount? Columns, text split. 4, 4, 4. Okay. At least they are always 4 and always 2-digit numbers here. Question. But yeah, we have this dynamic, so um splitting this, but above. Where's above? Um left, then right. Ah, we need to, need to track it even higher. Right. 3, left, 1. Um, let's look up this in here, returning this. Let x if this equals larger than x larger than right 2. Otherwise x smaller than right. Do I need minus minus here? I don't know. Yeah, I need it. Okay. 4, 4. Okay, and then I filter. So I need to for truth. Sum minus minus equals 4. They're even a true. Yeah, a few. Okay, and then I need to filter. Okay, I will need to have the names in here. Plus data names. And then I need to filter this here based on this. F n is take F first column, D is drop F first column, and we take by, oh no, D. Okay. And then we need to use the minimum difference, so D minus text split. ABS, no, here ABS by row sum index and min match. Yay, I get to the result. Okay. Let's data table this. Okay, 30 minutes. Let's go to the bonus questions. Okay, most common last name. Let's do this first. See. Hmm. For which trades are the applicants on average best qualified? Mhm. Okay, so no, I know. Max lookup or product knowledge? Oh no, no bonus copy. Hmm. Maximum is 52. Product knowledge. No, this is not SI. Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, of course. That's the problem. There was like a two-sided answer in here. Okay, it's alright. If each applicant forms a team with their acquaintances, and each team takes the highest value of the team members for each trade, which person has the strongest team? Okay, this is interesting. This is a good bonus question. Um, and the good thing is, I can do this quite fast. because I simply need to adjust this formula. I wrote for one of the levels. So, row fixed. And then I do not want to have sum, I want to have max. And then I want to have sum for this by row, but let's do this manually. Max lookup. It's this person. No. Tree. And this is Jean Wolleh. Non-Hemkür. No, it's not the strongest in my point of view. No, it's not. Highest value, which person has the strongest team? The maximum of this, all those values for those persons. All those values. 10. It's a lot, but might be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, and the maximum is 87. And then I take the sum by row and then a max lookup. And iswin is still. Okay, I'm undecided about this. Here it's not the mean, it's the sum. And here it doesn't make sense to use. Okay, now bonus for if you use the following instead of the given exclusion criterion, example 6. Example 6. Okay. Let's copy this. No, I hope this will not crash. Okay. Delete the data table. Example 6, yes. Exclusion criteria. Um, okay. It's not this too. Okay, we have 10 criterias. Sum minus minus equals 10. There's an error, yes. False. Yes, and I know I could use biro and stuff. Okay, filter. Use this. Still rows I read? Yes. Okay. I'm unsure about bonus 3. I say it's needs to be this person and there are a few hiccups. But besides from that, cool case, a little bit of sommelier vibes, and yeah, I think for someone like them it's doable in 30 minutes. So thank you, Jean, for this case, and thank you, viewer, that you stayed with me. See you next time. Bye.